So let's take a look at the verb should have ridden in the sentence, I should have ridden the donkey at the bar mitzvah. All right, so we start off with our tense. And so we're going to take the tense of the very first word, which is should. Well, should is the past. And if I need to know that, I could go back to my list of modals, and I know my modals are listed as present and past. And so that is the past of shall. Shall, should is a little pairing. So I'm always going to write the modal of the tense down, the very first word, which is should. Next, I'm going to work my way down my verb expansion list and just simply pick out what exactly I need to actually form this verb string. So next is going to be modal. Oh, I have a modal, which is should, but you always write the modal down in its present tense. So I'll never write the word should. I'll write the word shall. I'll never write could. I'll write can. Would will be will. Must and ought to are already in their present tense, so they don't have to worry about those. But you'll always write the modal down in its present tense. Just trust the process. All right, so there's shall. I do plus. Next thing, I look for a form of have. And once again, here it is. It doesn't matter if it was have, or if it was has, or if it was had. Wherever I have, I get to put down have plus en. So here's have plus en. And then next, I have be plus ing. Well, I'm looking for an ing verb. I don't have an ing verb, so I get to skip this. Remember, anything with parentheses is optional, so I get to skip this. Lastly is my main verb, and my main verb is going to be the base form of the last word, which is ridden. And so the base form of this is the word ride. So if I deconstructed the verb string of should have ridden, I end up with the past of shall plus have plus en plus ride. Change my color here. And therefore, if I glue it back together, remember these little tags always go with the next word. So if I do that ahead of time, that kind of negates having a problem. So I have the past of shall now turns into should. Have is all by himself, so he just kind of drops down. And the en form of ride is ridden. So once again, I have deconstructed the verb, and then I have reconstructed the verb using the verb expansion rule. Let's do 2 more examples before I send you loose on your worksheet.